retrieving, no? A dig.
Totoo yan.
From a spike of Ellie of Brazil.
Back attack. Here's Marlenis Costa. Aguero. Blocked. And that's out for the second point of Cuba.
Coach Luis was protesting that call, but...
At ngayon magsiserve si Marlenis Costa, ang pangalawang setter ng Russia. Remember, this is a very unique formation ng Cuba. They have a 6-2 formation compared to a 5-1 attack ng Team Russia.
Cuba lang ang nakakagawa ng ganung formation, Noli.
And that's why ang hirap nilang basahin, you know?
Exactly. Although now you see Costa doing most of the setting.
And that is also why they are one of the best in terms of setting as a team. 3 to serving 2. Lamang po ang Team Russia. Costa. Torres sa gitna. Here's Vasilevskaya. Touchdown, nice block. Yes! Rela Torres.
But it's Team Russia's point.
Oh, may tumama sa net na.
Overreaching.
Overreaching. Okay. So, punto para sa Team Russia. And now 4 serving 2 here in the first set. Costa. Rela Torres is blocked at the net by Duchenko and Chachkova.
Gamova is in front now. Abangan nila yung blocker na to. She's largely responsible for the great stats of Russia pagdating sa blocking.
She ranks number 1 in blocking sa Grand Prix. And she's so young, she will be there at the top of her game for a long, long time. In the meantime, palo ni Rela Bell, patay. At ang Cuba nakakuha muli ng puntos.
5'10", Rela Bell going up against 6'8" and 6'3".
3 serving 5. First serve. Vasilevskaya back set on the line. Fortichenko.
She's one of the most consistent players of Russia, Noli, especially from the right side of the court.
Totoo yan, especially sa back row,
Also, yes.
Nice serve, floater, nice reception. Aguero, Ando Sitichenko. Chachkova with a set. Gamova cranks it up. Did not hit that squarely.
But she just sailed over the hands of the blockers.
At labas yung palo ni Aguero. So a little shaky ang pasimula ng Cuba dito, Coach.
Hindi pa nag-iinit.
Well, we've not seen Aguero serve. She is an incredible server. Remember, she had that ace against China yesterday. Here's Yumilka Ruiz.
Siya yung gumawa sa laban nila kahapon. And yes, siya ulit ang gagawa ngayon. Especially that point.
Blanca si Chachkova, and that was fair territory. Watch it again. Chachkova thought she had all ball, pero no way, sabi ni Yumilka Ruiz. She won't be denied. Rela Torres serving. Vasilevskaya, high set. Gamova puts it over. Ando si Aguero.
Save.
Here's, malakas ang palo ni Ana Fernandez. No tip ball here. It will be a point for Russia. And that will take us to our first technical timeout in a terrific start in this championship of the 2000 World Women's Volleyball Grand Prix. Russia leads 8-4 in set number 1. PBA Chairman Fredoy Tengsu enjoying this championship match of the 2000 World Women's Volleyball Grand Prix. And definitely sino naman hindi mag-enjoy. And of course, Viva Vintage Sports President Victor Rosario, kasama si Mr. Bobby Grimaud, and of course ang ating Joint Chairman of the Philippine Management Committee, San Juan Mayor Jinggoy Estrada, on hand today. They're all here, and I'm sure everyone is tuned in to this finals match, and we're happy to have you with us, mga kaibigan.
Feels like all of Philippines is here, Noli.
Oh boy, ang traffic outside has stretched all the way to Shaw Boulevard, all the way to C5 because of this championship match. Here's a nice attack by Rela Bell, surprise attack there.
The captain ball. Muntik nang mag-fake nga yung isang nasa gawing kaliwa pero Rela Bell was there. Karpol did not like that.
Tatapyas ang lamang ng Russia sa tatlo. Nice serve by Aguero. Vasilevskaya. Chachkova cranks it up. That's off the blocker. And a point for Team Russia.
Running back quick.
And here's Chachkova, the Russian wonder girl.
The fans cheering her on. She's built quite a following, Noli.
Oh, yes, indeed. I spoke to her just before the match, and she said, I'm very excited. That's all she said. And that serve actually shows how excited she can be.
That's rare. Chachkova is one of the best servers in the league.
Totoo yan. She ranks number 5 in serving. Erika Coimbra leads the pack. Aguero is ranked number 2. Here's Vasilevskaya.
From the back, Gamova, and it's blocked.
Now sa net, nanalo.
Buhay with the pancake serve.
Costa, ando si Chachkova. Pinalik, Chorina will put it over. Aguero will set this one up. There's Relabel. Patay na patay.
These Cubans are such natural athletes. They leap so high. Parang walang panama itong height advantage nitong Russia kasi ang tataas nila tumalon.
Well, Relabel has a highest spike reach of 3.26 meters. And that's a nice serve by Yumilka Ruiz. Ace, as we take a look at the Brazilian team, kanina po nanalo ng nakakuha ng third place, defeating China in 4 sets. Yan po ang naging final tally natin doon. Brazil taking third place sa 2000 World Women's Volleyball Grand Prix.
Last year, Brazil ang nakaharap ng Russia in the Grand Prix, no, Ali?
They were runner-up last year. Godina with a bad attempted kill. And now it's all tied at 9 apiece in set number 1. Team Russia led by as many as 5 points kanina. Pero nakabalik na po ang Team Cuba. At tabla na ang ating score dito sa set number 1. Yumilka Ruiz serving. Vasilevskaya to Chachkova from the back row. That's wide again. And another point here for Cuba.
Yun sana yung trademark attack ng Russia.
Karpol is back on his feet here. Si Vasilevskaya lagi niya sinisermonan. Elena Vasilevskaya, binigay kay Godina. Off the block, yes! They needed that one very badly.
Score is still tied though, but Russia serves.
Alam mo, unbelievable.